Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, do I even need to say it anymore? Please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It does go a long way. Appreciate your guys' support as always, but let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe, of course. So if we're looking at the overall markets today, today is the last day of the month, so it's going to be really important for the price of Bitcoin to potentially close above $70,000. A lot of people think that might not be possible. Right now, as of recording this update, Bitcoin is already sitting at $62,250. So anything is possible right now. And as I've said to you guys pretty much over the past few days, it's extremely important. If Bitcoin is able to close above $70,000, especially the monthly candle, that is going to be really good as we do go into the month of June. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. It is one of the top gainers. You look at Jasmine, absolutely killing it. Jasmine holders, if you do watch this video, I will be bringing out the Jasmine update shortly as well. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe right now. So if we're looking at the price, it's currently sitting at 1461, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, up 5.7% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Market cap at $6.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.6 billion. So in the grand scheme of things, as far as the price is concerned, things are looking really good for Pepe, believe it or not, even though we are coming out of a little bit of a retracement, which is very much needed. And again, this is something we've been speaking about. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let me just pull up the holder count real quick to take a look at what's happening. So yet again, we're seeing the holder count in an upwards trajectory, and again, should not be a surprise at this point. Taking a look at the overall meme coin market cap combined, you guys can see this for yourself: $65.7 billion. So of course you are seeing a retracement. We're down about 3.6%. Reason being, you're seeing Bitcoin dominance, and again, a lot of people don't pay very close attention to Bitcoin dominance, but believe it or not, Bitcoin dominance is picking up again, and that is causing a lag in the overall market as we speak. But Pepe is performing really good as far as the price is concerned, and it's outpacing honestly the top 5 meme coins in the meme coin market category in terms of market cap. So of course that's really nice to see. But let's continue to take a look at what is really happening as far as BTC is concerned. So look at the dominance, guys. Dominance has pretty much been picking up over the last 2 days, and again, this is a huge tool that you need to incorporate in your trading style, whatever analysis you do. I would really suggest paying very close attention to the dominance index, because it helps a lot. You can clearly see this for yourself. Dominance is picking up. As far as BTC is concerned, Bitcoin is not even looking that bad. We're currently sitting at $68,300 almost going into Friday morning again, which is the last day of the month. But if you're looking at the broader market, you're seeing a lag across the board right now, and that is mainly due to the dominance picking up right now as we speak. There will be always a handful of coins that are outpacing the overall market momentum, and you are seeing some of them right now right in front of us, as we can see. But let's take a look at what's happening with BTC. So as I've said, we're approaching the month end, and on the month end, we are going to close the monthly candle for the Bitcoin price, and it's extremely important. Obviously, going into the weekend as well, we know on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual due to CME, futures being closed. But with that being said, it's really likely that Bitcoin could push above 70. It only needs a move of about 2.73%, and the whales can push this up in a snap of a finger. And let's see what happens. Let's see if Crypto ZX prediction really comes to life. I still believe there is a chance for that to happen. But let's take a look at our good old friend Pepe. You can't make this up right now. So before I pull out the hourly time frame, which we're currently looking at, I want to really take a look at the bigger picture on the daily time frame, so you can see this for yourself. Actually, we saw a massive retracement down, and why did this get caused? Most likely, after this support was lost, a bunch of whales just really came down and dumped their bags, and again, part of the game. This will happen. This is not the first time, and this is not the last time. This will continue to happen. And you can clearly see this for yourself, and this is what I try to teach you guys. We wicked all the way down to the 1321 zone, and look how much buying pressure there was around here. Of course, this is a support. there is some support built up around there, and if you picked it up or your buy order somehow got filled around that level, you did see Pepe go up 10% instantly. So this wick that you can see did not last too long. Usually manipulation across the markets do tend to cause this, and this is part of the game. And due to this, there were a lot of people fearing, this is it. Is Pepe really making its way back down to where it started off the month of May? And just like that, in a snap of a finger, the market has picked up. And like I said, this is why you want to stay away from futures trading. If you are investing in cryptocurrencies, what I would suggest is only do spot trade, which means you're actually holding the coins. Don't do this leverage trading. 99.9% of the time you will get burned down. And if you guys have been following me on my channel from the beginning, you guys know how much I'm against that. But let's take a look at the hourly time frame, because of course visuals make a lot of sense, and you can clearly see this for yourself. We did lose that support. As soon as the support was lost, you did see that wick all the way down to that 13 zone. And of course, as I've said, if you're looking at the hourly time frame, you can kind of see that we do have support around that. And right now, as the price of Pepe is making a move towards the upside, you are finding that exact same support which I was discussing to you guys yesterday. I literally drew that for you guys yesterday. That exact same support is now playing as a level of resistance as the price is trying to go up. But I don't think it's going to be a hard battle for Pepe to reclaim back above that. I'm very confident Pepe will claim above that zone. And the next main target that I have in my radar is around the 1528. That resistance, if that resistance is able to break out, more specifically around the 1562, if this resistance is able to break out, I think we're off to all-time highs once again. And this shakeout is very much needed. To take a look at the bigger picture. Don't listen to these trolls. Lock those profits in when you see those profits. I cannot stress this enough, and I will continue to say this till the end, till I retire, which I don't know when I will, but I'm going to continue saying that. If you don't like that, you don't need to even watch the video, right? You don't want to listen to these trolls saying, the price is going to go way higher. If you're looking at your portfolio and the portfolio is looking massively green, you don't want other people coming before you to lock those profits in. Just because you think the price is going to go higher and you want to see the price go higher, doesn't mean there's not going to be some other people coming and actually locking in profits. That is the mentality you need to have, and if you build that mentality, you will do great in this market. But still, from the low, we're still up 256%, and that's after a pullback. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Obviously the pullback, this massive wick towards the downside, the recovery is really impressive. Again, a huge a huge signal as to how bullish the momentum really is for Pepe. But anyhow, do let me know down below what you guys personally think. What are your personal projections? Where do you see Pepe ranking at the end of the June? As you guys know, June is coming. Yeah, I'll be traveling in the month of June, but I will still have my setup with me. Obviously not my whole studio setup. I'll have my laptop with me, and I'll try to give you guys these updates, because we're on the grind and we're gonna try to give you guys these daily updates, as you guys can see. But that is it for today's update. Like I said, let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.